Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Let's talk about the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition phone that comes with various Genshin Impact accessories and is available in a purple color. The phone was recently launched, and I'll start by describing its unboxing and first impressions. So, let's begin with the unboxing of the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Edition, which was launched at MWC 2024. This phone is also available in the UK. The box feels quite heavy, and it comes with 16GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. When you remove the top cover of the box, you'll find the main box inside, which looks very attractive. Opening the lid reveals the phone inside. After putting the phone aside for a moment, you'll find a Genshin Impact badge that can be attached to cloth and a large cardboard box. If you're a fan of Genshin Impact, you'll find a lot of accessories here. There's a custom SIM ejector tool that looks quite attractive, along with a 100W power adapter in purple color. You also get custom buttons and stickers featuring characters like Keqing from Genshin Impact. Additionally, there's a Keqing character badge included. You can see that there are plenty of different accessories available here for fans to enjoy. The data cable also comes in a different shape and is in purple color as well. The protective case also features the character Keqing. After removing the plastic wrap from the box, let's talk about the design and build of the phone. The front of the phone looks the same, but when you look at the back, it's in a customized purple color. Even the frame and side buttons of the phone are in purple color to match the back. On the back of the phone, you can see the iconic peacock feather design, which appears differently from various angles, giving it a three-dimensional feeling. There's also a hidden design within this pattern. Please let me know in the comments how you like the design of the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Custom Edition. The phone also comes with customized UI, featuring purple Keqing themes, and a customized keyboard as well. The phone also features deeply customized animations, including unique animations during charging. Friends, please let me know in the comments if you're a fan of the Genshin Impact game. The pre-order price for the OnePlus 12R Genshin Impact Custom Edition in the UK is set at £649. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Tell me